Welcome to the future of event ticketing. Secure, seamless, and digital. Today, I'll guide you on transferring USDC and Matic from an exchange to the Metakeep wallet for purchasing your own USDC NFT ticket. Let's get started. First up, head over to the ticket purchase link and click on Get a Ticket. Enter your email to automatically register and get a Metakeep wallet. Select Pay with Wallet. Opt for the Metakeep wallet and confirm it by entering the code sent to your email. At this point, you also have the option to choose your existing wallet with adequate funds. You'll be notified of insufficient funds. Deposit required for the new wallet. Open the side menu, copy your wallet number, and head to your exchange like Binance where your funds are. Now we'll transfer USDC. Paste the wallet number you've copied and make sure to select the Polygon chain for the transfer. Choose the amount of USDC you need for the ticket and follow the steps to verify your identity. Don't forget to transfer some Matic token to the same address. Matic acts as the fuel for transactions, ensuring their efficient completion by paying for transaction gas fees to network validators. Insufficient Matic can lead to failed transactions, highlighting the necessity of maintaining a balance with your primary cryptocurrency holdings. This might take a few moments, so patience is key. Once the transactions are through, head back to the Belong app. Now, with your wallet funded, click on Pay with Wallet. Select the Metakeep wallet and give the green light to the payment. And that's it. You've just purchased an NFT ticket with your crypto wallet. The future of event ticketing is here, making your experience more secure and seamless than ever before.